Imagine a building so tall, so immense that it seems to pierce the heavens and touch the sky. A structure that defies gravity and redefines what's possible in architecture. This is the Burj Khalifa, an iconic landmark that dominates the Dubai skyline. It proudly holds the title of the tallest building in the world, a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. It stands majestically in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, a glittering jewel in a modern desert metropolis. And as darkness falls, it transforms into a beacon of light, glowing with thousands of strategically placed lights at night, captivating all who behold it. Standing at its base, visitors often feel tiny and insignificant, overwhelmed by its sheer scale and presence. The Burj Khalifa is far more than just a skyscraper. It's a symbol of innovation, a testament to architectural prowess. Before we take off into the clouds, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon. Your support truly helps us share more fascinating content. Then let's begin our journey. It began with Dubai's dream to be known for more than oil. Dubai leaders dreamed of turning Dubai into a global center for business and tourism. To do that, they decided to build something so tall and amazing that it would surprise the world and show what Dubai could achieve. Its construction started in 2004, a monumental undertaking that required the collaboration of experts from around the globe, and finished in 2010, marking the culmination of years of planning, design, and relentless effort. American architect Adrian Smith, a visionary in his field, designed its unique shape, drawing inspiration from the geometry of a desert flower and incorporating elements of Islamic architecture. Samsung C&T from South Korea led the building effort, bringing their expertise in high-rise construction to the project. The vision was a vertical city where people could live, work, and play in one place, a self-contained ecosystem of luxury and convenience. Originally called Burj Dubai, it was renamed Burj Khalifa to honor the UAE's president, Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, recognizing his support for Dubai during a period of economic challenge. The tower became the centerpiece of Dubai's plan to attract tourists and global business, solidifying its position as a premier destination, tallest building in the world. At 828 meters, 2,716.5 feet, it holds the title of the tallest structure ever built. It has 163 floors above ground, more than any other building in the world. It took 6 years to build. Burj Khalifa cost approximately $1.5 billion USD to construct. Burj Khalifa has 57 elevators and 8 escalators. Some elevators travel at speeds of 10 meters per second. The Burj Khalifa's design is inspired by nature and tradition. Architect Adrian Smith looked to the desert flower Hymenocallis for the tower's base. Islamic art patterns influenced its elegant flowing form. Engineers tested models in wind tunnels to ensure safety. The building narrows as it rises, confusing the wind and keeping the structure stable. The Burj Khalifa is a blend of art, science, and engineering. Building the Burj Khalifa, a shimmering beacon against the Dubai skyline, was no small feat. It was an endeavor that required vision, courage, and a relentless pursuit of the seemingly impossible. You can watch the sunset twice on the same day, once from the ground and again from the top. The building is visible from 95 kilometers, 59 miles away. Thousands of workers from many countries, a global collaboration of skill and dedication, spent over 22 million hours building it, a monumental investment of time and effort. Teamwork and innovation, the cornerstones of this ambitious project, were key to overcoming every challenge, from logistical nightmares to structural complexities. It opened on January 4th, 2010, with a massive fireworks and light show. It appeared in movies like Mission Impossible Ghost Protocol, where Tom Cruise climbed it. It is a favorite destination for base jumpers and drone shows. Inside, the luxurious Armani Hotel adds to its prestige. The Burj Khalifa is a symbol of Dubai's dreams and success. It inspires people everywhere to reach higher. This tower proves that with vision and effort, anything is possible. Would you dare to look down from the 163th floor? Tell us in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Your support really helps us create more exciting and interesting content like this. Thanks for watching.